Bia Kamal Kanor online TV channel to kon ka lerm bu konaling lerm et wore wish ke Juba Juba capital South Sudan capital kam SPLM IO kana SSPDF kam kiir mayardit kana Dr. Yang Machaten jen ler dana balin gwasme mi jiram jidit Kanor online TV channel gore jen o jender yen nyogana san ko ken ko lerme gore liang gore jen wo de jeling ka de jeling ne go ko tin lat ko dina tama re wi ki Juba shika to go te normal tel mal non kene gore jen wo lerme biya jeling ka thoknath ka kore beje kwen ka thok English are ler kana me biya jenga jenu rega dana tuok shere ka meji kon tuok no wal karon kin dangra wal diok ne me jene tuok kore wi ki Juba gwase danen tama je joje no te krik to burian lat re wich ki Juba ajen goro jen wo biya jelingone ko subscribe ko notification bell ko je twan ko de alert ti de kan chwa shuk ji are ler kana me chala do ne shi wich naste shunga re wich ki Juba ko kor kame cha kwar SPLM IO cha ki yen re wich ki Juba akir mayardit kwarten cha yen ko kwarte dit ti dit long kamen chalat gwasame ko do badana yan ka chala do ken ke senior IO SPLM IO official ki ko kwarte dit ken shop kan ngwan ko kwadang ngwan ko kwar content cha yen re wich ki Juba kan kwara yo tin cha yen ka kwarde ni ti dit long yan ka bil pam kate quarter dung South Sudan military headquarter mentary ki Juba kabil pam kan kwatin cha yen ka kwatin tie ke Dr. Machaten ko do barana chalat ke je kan content tie ke Dr. Machaten tram kel mila General Gabriel Duoplam General Dal the Deputy Chief of the Defense Forces for Operation Ramdodian Lieutenant General Wesley Walebe kena two official to kokien tidit re kuma ka kiir mayardit kena wayan kake kiri kan jitu ogre which kana Sir County kena re gadan jitu ogre which kap ki re kan jitu kap nal state in general ka do badana ni shi kuma kiir mayardit cha de ni ka cha ka joch rar ka jere which kana Sir ka wi yara diu ken cha ka yen ka do badan ci to kay wech kana Sir County kalat ka jen wo kende kin getet reedi ka manana ci to na me jen dana ci rode kang re ki Juba man kwalat gwasa me wachi ni tin wan ci gidir lungan tama kam SPLM IO kana SSPDF ke kam kiir mayardit kana Dr. Machaten ge ke jen wo dong de corridor wo to gare wi ki Juba ka do badan chalat ka ja na me jen dana la rode tama bana madana chalat gwasme ka to English bana je nyoko mo kwen kona goro no jinn brodo lingaka ko ka to kawain gwada me biya madan ensure lad biya je link ka liu ka loda. Tension have escalated in South Sudan capital Juba after 4 senior military officers from the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition SPLM IO were arrested at the army headquarters as senior party members as revealed. This happened on March 4th, 2025. The senior official who spoke on condition of anonymity identified the detainee officer affiliated with Machar SPLM IO leader as General Gabriel Duoplam, the Deputy Chief of the Defense Forces for Operation, Lieutenant General Wesley Walebe, and 2 others. The arrests are reportedly linked to recent clash between the South Sudan People Defense Forces (SSPDF) and army use in Nasser County, Upper Nile State. The source described the situation as tense, despite high-level meetings of SPLM IO leadership in Juba on Monday aimed at resolving the ongoing conflict in Nasser and other areas. The official also highlighted a broader tension in region hosting SPLM IO forces, including Abyei, Twitch, Eastern Equatoria, Jonglei, and Nasser. He noted that deploying force in these areas have remained unchanged for over a decade, leading to strained relations between resident and army personnel. There are conflict and problems between the resident and the forces. Sometimes they fight at home. The resident and the army forces are unable to unite because there are no unified forces, the official explained. In response to the arrest, Termanyang Gadwich, Executive Director of the Center for Peace and Advocacy, called on President Salva Kiir to release the detained military officers, warning that the detention threatened the fragile peace in the country. The Center for Peace and Advocacy appealed to the President of the Republic and the Commander-in-Chief of the Army Forces, Salva Kiir Mayardit, to release General Doblam, who was arrested around 11 a.m. in Bilpam in the morning, along with his bodyguard, and transferred to the Tiger headquarters. Gadwich told some of the medias in South Sudan. He linked the arrest to the capture of Nasser by the White Army, youth militia groups, and warned that the situation could escalate, further damaging South Sudanese reputation internationally. People are tired of war. We need to talk about development. People cannot go on doing bad things always, Gadwich added. Here I want to share with you some of the voices that were sent by the South Sudan or SSPDF. Let's hear it here.